now we are going to discuss problem solution essay. We'll see what a problem solution essay is. Okay, there are two types. One type is called problem solution essay. One type is called cause and solution. Problem solution or cause and solution, or we also call it cause and effect. Problem solution, cause and solution, cause and effect, it's the same type, problem solution essay. Very easy to understand the topic. Very easy to understand the type of the essay. In problem solution essay, what will they do? They will give you a problem. Okay. They will elaborate a problem, any social problem, right? And then after that, they will say what are the reasons and how to overcome. When they use the word what are the reasons and how to overcome this problem, it means it is a cause and solution. Yes, reasons means reasons, that means causes. Okay, reasons and solution. Reasons and solution means it is going to be like causes and solution. And if they say what are the problems and what is the solution, it is problem and solution essay. If they use the word challenges, issues, for example, a large number of people prefer to live in the cities. Although city life is glamorous, but it is full of problems. What are the challenges that people face in city life and how to overcome these issues? Now, what are the challenges means what are the problems and how to overcome these problems. So this type of essay is called problem and solution. And the third type, which is very uncommon, that is causes and effect. Now, for example, causes and effect is what is the reason of unemployment and how does it affect the society. So causes, you will write cause number 1 and effect number 1 and all that. Clear? Problem solution, cause solution, effect, reasons and effect of that, causes and effect, it's the same type of essay. All clear? Topic will be given in the same way, and as I mentioned, the sentences will be given. Now, for cause solution essay, first of all, you will write introduction. In introduction, you can write simply 3 sentences. If you want to write 2, you can write 2 as well. There's no problem. I have seen some introductions in 1 sentence only, but there's no problem. You may write 1, 2, or 3 sentences. It depends on the style. Now, sentence number 1 is a general sentence about that problem. Whatever the problem is, in sentence number 1, there will be a general sentence about that problem. Sentence number 2 is basically paraphrasing the problem in your own words. Now, what will you do? You will paraphrase the problem. And when you paraphrase, change the wording. If you copy paste, it will be out of word count. Examiner will not consider that. And when examiners are checking your writing, topic is right in front of them. Like first there is the topic, then your writing, we call it on-screen marking. Examiners do on-screen marking. Now it's not paper marking, it's on-screen marking, okay? So, first sentence is general sentence. Second sentence is paraphrase the problem in your own words. And third sentence is thesis sentence. In thesis sentence of a problem solution essay, you will write, in this essay, I will discuss the causes, if it is cause and solution. Or in this essay, I will discuss the challenges faced by people who live in the city and the solutions to such type of problems. Challenges and problems. Or you can change the wording. If they use the word problem, you can use the word challenge. You can use the word issue. As I said, rewording, paraphrasing and all that. So in 3 sentences, you will write your introduction. Now, most important thing, for problem solution essay, cause solution essay, we call it rule of 1 plus 1. What do we call it? 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means in one body paragraph, you will write cause 1 plus solution 1. Or you will write problem number 1 plus solution number 1. Okay, cause plus, yes, one body paragraph. Cause 1 plus solution 1. And this is the best advice for good coherence and cohesion, that you can write cause 1 plus solution 1. Cause number 1 with solution number 1. Clear? Okay, now what will you do? You will start, first of all, the main reason, or first of all, the main issue is, Okay, main reason is, main issue is, main challenge is, and then you will describe the first problem if it is problem solution essay, or first cause if it is cause and solution essay, right? After this you will elaborate the problem. You will give an example related to that problem. And you know how will you conclude? You will conclude with solution. Clear? You have a problem, first problem, second elaborate the problem, third give example of that problem, and fourth give a solution and conclude your paragraph. Yes, close your paragraph with the solution. Now second body paragraph, again 1 plus 1. You will repeat the same things with a different problem. Because when you do brainstorming for a problem solution essay, you need to come up with 3 problems and 3 solutions, or otherwise 3 causes and 3 solutions, right? If it is cause and effect, then 3 reasons and 3 effects of that very thing. Okay, so 3 paragraphs you've written like this and then you will come to conclusion. Very simple. In conclusion, the first sentence is paraphrase the problem. Second sentence is give summary of 3 problems and 3 solutions in one sentence. All 3 problems and all 3 solutions, or you can write a compound sentence. Compound sentence, 3 problems and 3 solutions, 1 summary in 1 sentence. And the last sentence can be, you can give your opinion. We call it global opinion. Now listen, you're writing a problem solution essay, and again you can ask me, sir, problem solution essay, why opinion? Opinion, global opinion means what can be the overall solution to this problem. Although you have given 3 problems, 3 solutions, but what can be the overall solution? And usually when we write global opinion in a problem solution essay, that is, I think this problem can be solved by the local government and authorities. By the government and authorities, by city council, by this. This is what we call overall solution to the problem. So this is how you will write your problem solution essay, and which is the third essay type. First discussion, then opinion, and then problem solution. Although problem solution essay is not very common in Ielts, but you never know. When your Ielts exam is there, they give you uncommon topics, okay? So you should be prepared and ready for all 4 types of essays, right? Okay.